So here's presenting Prestige City by Prestige Group. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the project overview of Prestige City by Prestige Group, which is located in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. So as you can see, this is the exact location of the project and this is going to be your marketing office and your land parcel is exactly here. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. In the video, we will be discussing below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and a lot more. So let's get this video started. Now coming over to the project overview, the project is going to be constructed on 64 acres of land parcel featuring 13 towers with 3 basement, ground and 41 floors, having 3 BHK smart, 3 BHK prima, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK plus maid room. Now coming over to the location part, as you can see, this is the exact location of the project. So the project is located in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. This is what your connectivity is going to look like. From that side of the area, you easily get connected to your Shamshabad highway, your outer ring road and your other areas as well. Now coming over to the connectivity part, the Telangana High Court is just 10 minutes from here. There is an agriculture university which is also just 3 minutes away. The outer ring road exits 16 and 17 is just 10 minutes from here. Coming over to the amenities part, this project comes with a curated set of lifestyle amenities which includes a grand clubhouse. Then there's going to be theatre, you're going to have swimming pool, basketball court and a lot more amenities. As you can already see, 60% of the project's work is already done and this project is going to be delivered to you by December 2027. Coming over to the super built up area, so for 3 BHK smart, it is going to be 1631 to 1687 square feet. 3 BHK prima is going to be 1898 to 2245 square feet. 3.5 BHK is 2433 square feet and 4 BHK plus maid room is going to be 3348 to 3431 square feet. You see, the Prestige Group has come up with this new plan which is 40 to the 60 ratio payment plan, and which customer has to pay only 40% now and 60% directly at the time of handover. Now, coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open. The clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share the pricing and the payment schemes as well. And if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, this was the project overview of Prestige City by Prestige Group, which is located in Rajendra Nagar. Hope you liked the video. For more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey and do not forget to click on the link which is mentioned in the description below. Download your e-brochure and your pricing sheets.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.